Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another update in my home office revamp series. In my previous update, I shared with you guys the new layout of my office, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some organizational products that I picked up from TJ Maxx and Michaels. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Starting off with item number 1 from TJ Maxx, I found this spinning organizer that I love, and I'm going to be putting my tools and my pens inside of here. Also, when I was shopping, I was shopping with purpose and intention, not just picking up organizational products just to pick them up. That's one of the reasons I had to purge a lot in my office to begin with. I had been purchasing things that just because they were on sale and just because I had the funds to purchase it, I would purchase. But everything in this haul, I had a meaning behind it. So that is the approach I'm taking when it comes to shopping. It's about changing my habits, obviously. But this, I knew when I saw it that I could put both my pens and the tools that I'm using for my new toy, my Cricut, inside of here and have it all in one central location and not have to just have a whole bunch of stuff everywhere. I really want to keep my tabletops as clear as possible. So all the organization that I am bringing in is going to keep it as seamless and keep everything as consolidated as possible. So this was $7.99. Then I also got this container here. This one was $16.99 and I purchased this for my printer. I realized in setting up my machines that my printer needs to be elevated off the table a little bit so that I can actually open the tray to put the paper in and out. So this, while I could use it this way, I'm going to actually be using it this way to maximize it even more. So I'm going to put my printer on top and then paper in between here, and then I'll be able to put another thing of paper. I might be putting my scrapbook paper. I think it's the perfect size to just put this here because I don't have a lot left. That's another thing that I purged. But I'm definitely going to be putting some printing paper as well as some of the label paper that I use. And the rest of my overflow paper is stored underneath my tabletops because I have a lot of storage under there. Well, a lot of space that I want to maximize the vertical storage of. So that's that. Next up is this organizer here, and I'm going to be putting my unused planner stash inside of here. The ones that I have used, I have some built-ins in this office space. I have my craft closet that's already built in, and then I have a few other shelves that I put my planners on because the bookcase I originally had them on, I am going to be putting my books, my actual books. So I had to shift some things around. So this is going to be going on the wall, and it's going to be holding my unused journals, and this was $9.99. Then I also found these organizers that have lids. This one is this is from the brand Heritage, and it is the bamboo, the multi-purpose storage bin with a bamboo lid in the size medium, and these are going to be great to put under my tables and store things vertically. So I love this one. And this, I like looking at, it was on clearance for $10, but I want to see if I peel back the sticker if I'll be able to see what they were originally selling it for. So they were originally selling it for $13, so $3 off, not too bad. So that's that one. And then I also got another one with a lid. This one just has white lids and it's a 2-pack, and this was $5. And these I'm going to be putting on my planner cart, but it's not going to be a planner cart anymore. It's going to be like a mix of stuff. I'll be sharing that in a future video because I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to be setting it up. So my new setup I'll be sharing. And these were $6.99. So $2 off. And again, a 2-pack. Like those a lot. And then I also found another set like that. This one was a trio, so I have the larger one and then the smaller one, and this was $7.99. These are more of a plastic, whereas this is more like, it's like a thinner plastic than the other two. The other two are more of that like totes, like the totes you can get from Target and Walmart, like those storage bins. These are more plastic, so these are definitely going on my cart. The other ones, the bigger one that I showed, I'm going to be putting my iron in, because I got an iron, so when I'm doing shirts and stuff, I can just have a specific iron that has not touched anything else but those projects. So that's that. Moving on to Michael's, I got these 5x7 organizers, and before I purchased those, I had purchased this organizer. It was on sale for $15, because all of their storage stuff at Michael's is currently 40% off. So I got this to put some of my craft stuff in, again, as I'm paring it down and really purging. But I realized that I really do love this size, which is the 5x7, and I already had one, so I wanted to have half a dozen. And one of these containers I'm thinking could hold this, if not the larger one, maybe this one. I know the larger one can hold it, but maybe even this one, I don't know. But I have some larger stuff that I want to store, larger stickers and kits and things like that I want to store inside of here. So I got 6 of those. So that's 4. Oh no, I got 5 of those. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, here it is. So yes, 5 of those. And then this right here was a tray. It's a stacking storage tray for 12x12 paper, and it was a regular $15, and I got it on sale for $5. This I'm actually going to be using for my laptop. I wanted to get a laptop stand, and I didn't see one at all, and I really don't feel like ordering one. So hopefully this will work out. I just want my computer slightly elevated, and again, I can use that space underneath as well, similar to how I'm turning the other organizer upside down. So this does have like a little nick in it, but for what I'm using it for, this is gonna work out fine. So that's that. And then I also got these 2 vinyl rolls. All the Cricut stuff is 25% off. If you guys use a Cricut, know someone that uses a Cricut, have any Cricut tips, please leave them down below. I am new to the Cricut world of cutting things out. I have, you know, mastered the little vinyl stuff, but I'm now working on using the iron-on and learning how to do the weeding and all that. It's a struggle. So that is that. So the holographic vinyl, this one is a 3-pack, and this one is just the regular one, and I already did a project with this one and I loved it. Here's what it looks like. It's so, as I drop things, hence why I need things elevated, but I love this so much. It's so pretty. So that's that. And as for how I'm currently storing my vinyl, I'm just using these waste baskets from Walmart. I actually need to go back and get some for the actual purpose I bought them for, but this is so good to store my vinyl right now. So I have all of my iron-ons in one, and then I have a white marble one just like this to store my regular vinyls. So that is it. It's time for me to get to organizing, but you guys will see that in a future update video. These videos are going to be coming more so frequently as I finally have the layout that I want, the layout I never knew I needed. Shout out to my boyfriend for the idea. So yeah, it's time to get to work, get organizing. I hope this inspires you to crush the chaos in your space and actually get to cleaning, move things around if you need to, purge. We don't need to keep all the stuff. But yeah, I'm happy with everything that I purchased. I'm done. Like my grandma says, easy, don't have to buy everything in one day, but I'm done. The stuff that I did purchase were things that I needed now to really organize. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you are, thank you so much. Love you guys. Stay safe. Bye.